I thought they were going to something with Sami Zayn and this promo, and he initially started with Cody, and Cody flipped the script on him. And by the end of it, the crowd I heard chanting, "Sami Zayn sucks." I said, "Oh,
Yes, good
this is
job.
bad.
Heel turn. Let's go.
This is
Yes.
absolutely." And I
I
said,
blame Trick. This is Trick. Trick started this. I
oh,
love
but the
this.
best was Trick coming up when after the thing between Cody and Trick popping into the screen. Also, shout out to the way they did my boy Trick. The camera started off with him getting out the car, and all you saw was the lemon pepper stepper.
Yeah,
You already
the
knew what
stepper.
time it was. But
Oh,
yeah,
man.
Trick popping in on Sami Zayn every time he's down in the dumps and saying, "I'm about to do what you can't go, what you can't do, Sammy." And he did. He went out there and he won. He won the match. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's time. Cut his hair, make him heel. I mean, just change him completely. Like it's time. It is completely beyond time. Sami Zayn is just, and I hate that I dislike Sami Zayn.